Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. So this is for the people that might not know their pattern, PIN, password, whatever you have set on your lock screen. If you don't know it, this will help you also remove it. Now, it also removes basically everything else from the device, so it's a good way to reset your device to the default state. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to proceed from here, from the lock screen, as though I don't know my pattern. So I will start off by holding the power key, and from there selecting power off. Now additionally, this is something that I will be doing right here. I'll be keeping my hand like over the screen, because if I remove it, you'll see that the camera will start focusing on the little bar right there at one point. Okay, it's not doing it right now. So anyway, once it starts doing, I'm just gonna put my hand in the over the screen just so you can see the actual tablet in clarity. So once the device is off, you want to hold volume up and power key at the same time. So let's do that right now. And once you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go of those keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. There we go. So as you can see, it says Harmony OS. It doesn't really say recovery mode, but this is basically as close as you can get to it. So from here, all you need to do is simply tap on clear data and then tap on factory reset. Now in here, you need to type in yes to confirm that you want to reset your device, and select factory reset. And this will begin the process right here. This is a fairly quick one. It only takes about 10 seconds right here or so. And once that is finished, there we go, which it is, I can now select back, restart, and this will continue the process in the background. And there is the camera focusing on. Okay, there we go. So right now the device will continue the process in the background, and it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. So just give it a couple minutes. Once it's finished, we should then be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.